Yeah? You know, you get a misconduct for what you just did, right? You just coughing like that? No, you knew I was here. I'm right in front of your view.
Why are you in front of me?
Because I could be here on the sidewalk. You know you get a misconduct for that, right? You just coughed. You just got out your car to cough right in my direction.
I coughed in my hand.
Name and badge, please.
5189.
Don't engage with no conversation with him. Just don't talk to him, all right? He's over here obviously looking for a reason.
He just coughed in my direction. That's a reason to talk. You just cough in my direction. You're going to have a real huge problem. You're going to have a real huge problem. You just coughed in my direction on purpose. You got out that car and you coughed in my direction. And ain't nobody talking to you. Shut up, man. Shut up. Shut up. You came up here. You came up here. You came up to me. You came up to me. Get out of my face.
You get out of here.
Look, make me. Make me.
Make me.
That's right, because I'm not going nowhere. I told you to make me go, make me get out of here.
Out of here too.
Man, you told me to get out of here. Now make me get out of here. You supposed to be of authority.
I work here.
Yo, you got a problem, bro. You got a real serious problem. You just coughed in my face on purpose. You got a real problem, man. Seriously, you got a real serious problem. You know what's going on? Are you crazy? Do you know what's going on right now?
What time is it?
You just hopped in my face. Go ahead, enforce it. Go ahead and enforce it. Go ahead and enforce it.
So let me ask you.
I'm ready to go. I'm ready. You want to take me in there? Let's go.
No, we're not going in there. I'm just explaining to you.
No, I'm talking about. I don't want to talk to you. I'm talking about him coughing in my face. No, I'm not talking. Yo, you got a problem, bro. You coughed in my face and you got a problem. You coughed in my face and you got a serious problem. Do something about the curfews. You want to enforce the curfew and do something about it. I don't need you to shame.
I got you.
Yo, you got a problem. He did it on purpose. I was in his view. He seen me there. You got a serious problem, bro. You don't even know what's going on. You see this thing you driving right here?
Don't record my car.
What? I'm going to record the. I'm going to record the plate. I'm going to record the plate. I'm going to record the plate. I'm going to record the plate, bro. What are you talking about? Don't record your car.
Hey, John, go ahead and record everything we want. We know who's
Get out my face. I'm not talking to you, bro.
You know who's recording.
I don't care if you know or not.
All right, go ahead and
guess what? Since you know my name, run it for warrants and see if you can do anything.
We already know. We already know.
Shut up then. Yo, you got a problem, bro. You coughed in my face, yo. You coughed in my face on purpose.
Fine if you're not coming over here.
You got a problem. Shut up, man.
No,
you got a problem. You got a problem, bro.
Go home, John.
You better go ahead and walk in there, because you're going to be reading about it. You definitely going to be reading about that.
Go home, John.
Make me.
Go home.
Make me go home, bro.
You can stay here.
Make me go home, bro. Name and badge. Name and badge.
What?
Name and badge.
Your badge in front of you. It's on your camera. You can take a look at it.
Name and badge. Chapter 41, section 98D. Name and badge.
See this?
Name and badge. Name and badge, officer. Chapter 41, section 98D. Do you know what that is? Do you know what that is?
Bye-bye.
Do you know what that is? Chapter 41, section 98D.
Bye-bye.
Identify yourself, officer. That's all right. Your superior going to see it. Your superior is going to see it. Take y'all asses into work. Collect that welfare check. Talking about don't record his car. This is what he driving. This is what he drives right here. He said do not record his car. This is what he's driving, ladies and gentlemen. This is what he drives right here. You always coming up running your mouth, ain't none of your business. Mind your business and jump in that car. The problems you got, You don't even know the problems you got going on, bro. You don't even know what kind of problems you got going on. You got some serious problems going on. You just fucked up, bro. It's COVID-19 season. You know what you just did? You got out that car knowing damn well I was standing right here. And you cough. No, yo, say which way you cough. Right, left, backwards. You coughed in my face.
Listen, John McCullough,
and I got it.
Listen, John McCullough, from Mattapan, from Wellington Hill, I do not care. You can do whatever you want.
Bro, you must be ready to retire then from this occupation. You got a problem, bro. Are you going to say that same thing? The same words you just said. Are you going to say that to the judge?
I got to inform you. You might want to stand 6 feet away from me.
The same thing you said to me. Are you going to say to the judge?
It doesn't look like 6 feet.
Oh, it's 6 feet, bro. Now, what you going to do about it if it ain't?
I'm saying for your safety, my man.
What you going to do? Blow my head off?
I'm saying it for
you
your
safety. You going to blow my head off for your safety? Yo, bro, you got some serious problems going on and you don't even dig it. You don't even dig it, bro. Wow. That's what you do? You on duty and you cough on people's faces just because they standing in front of your car recording? Keep saying my name. Keep saying my name, bro. Say my name. It's not a...
Why don't you go back to Philly?
Listen, no, I'm staying right here and I'm going to keep you accountable, especially since you coughed in my face on purpose. Bro, don't you know the world going to see this? You don't even dig it. Do you know the world is going to see this?
You know the only people that follow you are cops?
Bro, do you know that the world going to see this?
I'm going to be famous.
They give me the good comments too, huh?
I'm going to be famous.
They give me the good comments too, huh?
I don't know.
They give me the good comments?
I don't read the comments.
They give me the good comments?
I just try to see if I look good on your videos.
They give me the good comments? No, you didn't look good coughing in my face, bro. I'm going to keep... You think that looked good when you coughed in my face?
I didn't cough in your face.
Do you think it looked good?
I didn't cough in your face.
You did. You did. You did. You did. You know you did. You got a problem, bro. Ain't nothing they gonna be able to do about it for you neither. See this pretty car you got?
You like it, huh?
I like it. Don't record your car. Don't record your car. What happened with that? Don't record your car. What you going to do about it now? I done recorded it. What you going to do about it, tough guy? Huh?
Whatever you want to do.
You was a pussy, man. And you know it.
Come over here.
You heard me. I was right. You was just right here. You was just right here. That shows how much of a punk you are. You crossed the line and say, come right here when you was right in my face, you jump. Got them riled up tonight, ladies and gentlemen. It's the resistance.